What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in data gathering and research. So here in this example I have a scientific paper or research on insulin and insulin resistance, and I can copy and paste any paragraph or any section into ChatGPT and let ChatGPT summarize the whole paragraph and give me the key points. So let's say I scroll down and I have this paragraph here or this section that I do not understand very well, or I need the key points from, so I'll copy it and then go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me a summary of this paragraph with key points. And then I'll paste it and then click here or press enter. And like that, ChatGPT will give me like a summary or summarize here the article for me, and I can ask it anything about it. So I can let it give me the article in like key points, or like give me this summary in key points, and here ChatGPT will generate that. So that's one way of using ChatGPT in research and data gathering.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.